Hello guys and welcome back. Morten here from Rolling Stone Reptiles. So we are here back at the spot. So let's see what we can find. Hopefully some reticulated pythons or blue-faced macrops or white-lipped tree vipers. You'll never know. Let's see. Well guys, we found our first baby macrops. I don't know if you can see him. What a beautiful animal. What a beautiful baby. Well, let's leave him be. Wow! Take a look at this, guys. Let's see if we can get closer. It's a white-lipped tree viper. Trimeresurus, Albolabris. What a beautiful! And this is looks like a male. It's a white-lipped tree viper male. How beautiful is this? Look at that color. Like smashing neon green. Oh, it's beautiful. Guys, what's up, buddy? Big rat popping out to say hello. Take a look at this, guys. There was a rat just here next to this macrops. Let's see if I can get closer. Oh. Let's see. Look at the blue on this guy. He is beautiful. It's actually she is beautiful. Wow. Look at this amazing animal, guys. Beautiful female macrops. She's beautiful. guys, take a look at this. Take a look at this beautiful reticulated python I found. Oh, there he goes. A youngster. So, and that's it for tonight, guys. I was hoping to find more species like the vine snake, sunbeam snake, but we have to do 3 species: the reticulated python, the macrops, and white-lipped tree viper. Thanks for watching, guys, and make sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell. I see you guys next time on the next video. Cheers for years. Bye.